What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another motherfucking vlog. We are at Cars and Coffee, Columbus Cars and Coffee. Got a lot of nice supercars out here. We got a 488. Got a brand new 488 at that. Ferrari red. Got wheels. Aventador and Huracan. Got the Urus. I'm gonna go check out this SVJ for real. We got a 430 over here. I know it's a 360. Yeah, 360 is good. Oh yeah, the front headlights, I didn't check that out. The last generation Gallardo. Another last gen Gallardo. And we got the SVJ. This shit is fire. Drop top. Oh my gosh. That is just fire, and it's so fucking low. Oh, we got a 458 over here. The gold wheels, full bronze, goldish wheels. And so we got another 488. Then we got a California, I think. Maserati. Got another Alpha that I never seen before. White. Now this white looks clean. One thing I didn't know is these come with, well, I guess it's the other versions. They come with Acropovic exhaust systems. RCF. Got a GSF. Got an RS over there, Focus RS. What else we got? I don't know. Is that a TTRS? Yes, it is. Let's go check that out. Never seen one of those. This thing is actually pretty dope. That's crazy. It has back seat split and literally no space back there. Automatic Alcantara leather steering wheel. Carbon fiber. Quilted seats. You looked over. I thought that was just like I want to hear this thing though. That's why you remember them. Then we got the S3 GT3 RS, which you've seen before. Then we got the Stinger GT over there. Check out this AMG. It's clean though. Yeah, I think it's my boy's car, the CLA 45. And this Audi R8. Oh my gosh, that carbon fiber wing is fat. Oh man. Got me rethinking about the car I'm thinking about getting next. Red interior. It's a V10, what is this, is this a V10 Plus? It has carbon ceramics. Let me look at the steering wheel. Yes, this is a V10 Plus. Oh my gosh, I think I want an R8 though, don't lie. They just said high, look at how high it is off the ground. Then we got Daniel's new ZR1 Corvette. Carbon fibered out. This thing is clean though. Blacked out windows. I think this is darker than mine. This has a fat wing on it too. Oh man. What else we got? Got that Hellcat here with the race stripes. Got a Supra. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. This sits even lower than the R8. I can't do this on my own. Hey, no. Someone watching it close, yep, close.
I've been me since Scarlet Road, ayy. Might go down.
Yeah, it's a GTC.
Yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G.
Now these are pretty wide. Like this is like in camera does no justice, but in person these things are wide.
Bad things.
It's not as wide as the R8, but it's close. And we got wheels, 2 cars, and a Huracan. Not that much out here anymore, to be honest. We've already looked at all the cars, which is a plus because I don't have to record anymore. But other than that, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and tell me guys which car is your favorite out here. I definitely would pick the R8. Like the Aventador Svj is simple. I mean, it's not simple, obviously not simple, but it's just too much for me, and I'm not that kind of a person, so I'll take the R8 to be honest. The R8 or the Huracan, which Will has right there. But yeah, other than that, subscribe, like, share, comment. See you on the next one. About to get us started up with the CLA 45 real quick. Yo, the startup is actually nice, no lie. That thing sounds so good. It really sounds good. Has the Mercedes Sport exhaust. Let me go ahead and get this G-Wagon Brabus edition. This shit is so clean. Oh my gosh. Look at the wheels. Oh, this shit is so mean. Like, this shit is mean.